Hello, and marketing for B2B SaaS in 2025. And we're going to take a short look at the theory of diffusion of innovation before we make it very practical. So as you might know, the theory of diffusion of innovation talks about having a small group of people who are very excited about new technologies, and these might actually be our first few customers. These people often like to talk about problems that they're experiencing and how they can be fixed. And then over time, other people might also be convinced by your solution and also adopt it. But there's often a big gap between these early adopters, so the first group, and then the majority. And crossing this chasm can be quite challenging because you have to often adjust the product and also the marketing. What I want to discuss in this video is that it's actually possible to cross this chasm by using a pixel. So to make sure that your Facebook or LinkedIn ads or even Google ads can see when someone is converting as a customer. And this allows the algorithm to train itself and see what target audience works best. And if we combine this with AI that just generates creatives, we can test endless types of targets, customers, and also ways of communicating towards them. And I think this combination can really help us to cross this chasm a lot faster, because we can test several audiences all day, and also at the same time use different ways of talking to them. So we might have to work with different landing pages to see which converts best. But I think, just modern technology allows us to test so many, target audiences, and at the same time, ways of talking to them. And we have very objective data by looking at the pixel data to see who converted. And I think this is really a powerful combination where we can, just let the algorithm do its thing. We just have to have a budget to test several, communications or advertisements and several target audiences. And we can just see the results and see who converts. And based on that, the algorithm is improving itself, learning more and more. And finally, we can go from the group of early enthusiasts to the majority or a wider audience. It might still be needed to update some features or some parts of the product, but I think the combination of having the pixel data and now with generative AI, it's very exciting to see how this evolves, because the way of finding or reaching the markets or a broader target markets might be a lot easier than just a few years ago, where we had to manually create the communication or the marketing, and also sometimes manually target the target market itself, which needed or required a lot of experimentation. Whereas now we can just let the algorithm do its thing, come up with different visuals, come up with different messages, and also just target the right people at the same time. So I think it's very exciting evolution in 2025 because we have the combination of the pixel data and also generative AI. So just a quick video about marketing in 2025. Subscribe for more and have a great day ahead. Thank you.